there, friends, all the gardening lovers. The 33 garlics is already here, as you can see. I buried them all now. 1, 2, 3 is the last one where the spade is, and then 1, 2, 3 I need to get up from the fridge maybe later, and then I just put 3 of them remaining. So we in this big frame, not too big, not too small, we have 33 plus I'll put more 3 garlic there, so 36 altogether there. So maybe that one in the corner, maybe I am going use some more space a little bit there. But if the garlic leaves are growing, so it'll be just kind of all overflowing. But I hate to see there's a bit more space in the corner there. See on the top. So I'm gonna put some probably Tasmanian garlic there. Their little one, maybe not as big as this Russian garlic or elephant garlic. So I may put 12 dozen of them, or I mean 1 dozen, 12 pieces. I'll see. But first, I'm gonna put the 3 later on, and then we have 36 garlic together. So after that, this is still wet from putting water earlier, or 2 days ago. So no need to give him water. Instead, I put the we have a solution here called seaweed solution. Now it's an organic Australian garden center using this, or buying, selling this. All local using this beautiful organic seaweed solution. Just the roots to activate really quickly. Although I already soaked my garlic. I did already soak them last night, something yesterday, 1 hour or so before I planting them. But today I'm just gonna add a bit more here until I finished it. Then after this, guys, don't give them water anymore, okay, or anything, because they're everything here now. Just let them be until all these garlic seeds or cloves will be sprouted, and then when it sprout, and then you start giving them water, not a lot of water, so it won't choke the garlic seedlings, just until they just dried out. All right, friends, that's all. Easy peasy and easy to grow garlic. If you are the beginner, you can do this. I'll put a bit more here because it kind of still on the top. Don't bury it so much though. Yeah, thanks for watching. Happy gardening, Australia, and all over the world. Cheers.